Welcome to WORxK Global News. Today's highlight from our career advice section is the 80-20 rule. How to achieve more with less effort. The 80-20 rule, also known as the Pareto Principle, suggests that 80% of results often come from just 20% of efforts. First observed by Italian economist Vilfredo Pareto in the 19th century, this principle has since been applied across business, productivity, and personal growth. The central idea is clear. A small fraction of inputs drives the majority of outcomes. In business, this might mean that 20% of customers generate 80% of sales, or 20% of products produce 80% of profits. In personal productivity, 20% of tasks may yield 80% of meaningful results. The article highlights examples across industries, from healthcare to software development, where the 80-20 pattern consistently emerges. Applying the rule begins with identifying the vital few activities that have the highest impact and focusing efforts there, while eliminating or delegating less essential tasks. This approach can increase productivity, improve efficiency, and help individuals and organizations achieve more with fewer resources. That's today's highlight from WORxK Global News. For the full article on how to harness the 80-20 rule for success, visit WORxGlobalNews.com and join us again for more insights shaping work and life.